Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear brothers, I pray that Allah fills your heart with peace, protects your family, and guides you toward everything that is good. Before we begin, I want to ask you a question. What if, while you are sleeping tonight, there is a protection that surrounds you? A protection your eyes cannot see, your ears cannot hear, and your mind cannot fully understand? Every night, millions of people lock their doors, check their phones one last time, and close their eyes, believing they are safe. But have you ever wondered who is protecting your soul while you sleep? Who is protecting your heart from fear, your faith from weakness, and your future from dangers that have not yet appeared? Tonight, we are going to explore one of the most powerful chapters of the Quran, Surah Al-Mulk, and we will reflect on a profound spiritual insight associated with Ibn Arabi that may completely change the way you look at this surah forever. But I want you to stay with me until the very end, because the final lesson may be exactly what someone listening to this video needs to hear today. In fact, it might be the reason Allah guided you to this video at this very moment. And before we continue, if your heart longs for deeper Quranic reflections, spiritual wisdom, and reminders that bring you closer to Allah, then subscribe to this channel and become part of our growing family. Many people watch these videos every day, but forget to subscribe. By subscribing, you help us spread beneficial Islamic reminders to thousands of people around the world. Now take a moment, clear your mind, and listen carefully. Because what Surah Al-Mulk teaches about protection is far deeper than most people realize. There is a fear that almost every human being carries, yet very few people ever talk about it openly. It is not the fear of darkness. It is not even the fear of failure. It is the fear of what we cannot see. Think about it. Many of our deepest worries are connected to things hidden from us. We worry about tomorrow, but we cannot see tomorrow. We worry about our future spouse, our children, our health, our finances, and even our final moments in this world. Yet none of these things are visible to us right now. This unseen uncertainty follows us everywhere. Sometimes it appears as anxiety before sleep. Sometimes it appears as overthinking. Sometimes it appears as a quiet sadness that settles into the heart without any obvious reason. A person may smile in front of others while carrying countless questions inside. Will things get better? Will Allah answer my dua? Am I moving towards something good? Or am I walking toward a trial I cannot recognize? These questions are rarely spoken aloud, but they live in the hearts of millions. The strange thing is that modern life has given us more information than ever before, yet many people feel less secure than ever before. We can track flights across the world, monitor bank accounts instantly, and communicate with people thousands of miles away. Yet we still cannot see what tomorrow holds, and perhaps that is exactly the point. Allah never intended us to find peace through control, because true peace does not come from knowing everything. True peace comes from knowing the one who knows everything. This is where Surah Al-Mulk begins to touch the heart in a remarkable way. Before it speaks about creation, before it speaks about the heavens, before it calls us to reflect on the signs around us, it quietly reminds us of a reality we desperately need to remember. The one who controls the unseen is the same Allah who controls your life. And when that truth settles into the heart, fear begins to lose its power, and trust begins to take its place. As we move deeper into this reflection, we begin to discover that Surah Al-Mulk is not simply a chapter to be recited. It is a chapter that transforms the way a believer sees reality. The very first verse opens with a declaration so powerful that many people recite it without fully pausing to absorb its meaning. Blessed is he in whose hand is all dominion, and he is over all things competent. Think about what Allah is teaching us here. Every worry that troubles you, every door that opens, every door that closes, every blessing that arrives, and every test that enters your life exists under His complete authority. Nothing escapes His knowledge. Nothing escapes His power. Nothing happens outside His wisdom. Many people spend their lives trying to gain control. They want certainty. They want guarantees. They want to know exactly what will happen next. But Surah Al-Mulk gently teaches us that real peace is not found in controlling life. Real peace is found in trusting the one who controls life. And perhaps that is why this surah has such a special connection to the night. When darkness falls, human beings become aware of their limitations. During the day, we are busy with work, responsibilities, and distractions. We feel strong because we are constantly doing something. But at night, everything changes. The phone is set aside. The conversations end. The noise fades. And suddenly, we are left alone with ourselves. It is in these quiet moments that many people feel their deepest fears. Questions about the future become louder. Regrets from the past return. Worries that were hidden during the day begin to surface. Yet Surah Al-Mulk enters that darkness with a completely different message. It reminds us that the universe is not random. Your life is not random. Your tests are not random. The one who created the stars above you is also aware of every thought moving through your heart. Then the surah invites us to look at the heavens. Allah challenges us to observe the perfection of His creation and asks whether we can find any flaw in it. This is more than a lesson about the sky. It is a lesson about trust. If Allah created the heavens with such precision and balance, then what makes us think He has lost control of our lives? What makes us think our story has been forgotten? What makes us think our waiting is meaningless? Sometimes believers become frustrated because they cannot understand why certain prayers seem delayed. But Surah Al-Mulk teaches a profound truth. Limited vision should never lead us to doubt unlimited wisdom. A child may not understand why a doctor performs a painful procedure, yet the doctor sees what the child cannot see. In a far greater way, Allah sees realities hidden beyond our understanding. What appears to be a delay may actually be protection. What appears to be a loss may actually be guidance. What appears to be an ending may actually be the beginning of a blessing that has not yet arrived. This is why reciting Surah Al-Mulk before sleep is so powerful. It is not merely the movement of the tongue. It is a nightly act of surrender. It is the believer saying, "O Allah, I do not know what tomorrow holds, but I know you hold tomorrow." And sometimes that single realization brings more peace to the heart than all the answers we spend our lives searching for. Now we arrive at a question that has fascinated believers, seekers, and spiritual thinkers for centuries. What does it really mean to be protected? Most people imagine protection as being saved from harm. They think protection means that nothing painful happens, no difficulties appear, and no trials enter their lives. But one of the profound spiritual insights associated with Ibn Arabi invites us to look much deeper than that. According to this perspective, the unseen protection of Allah is often working long before we recognize it. Think about your own life for a moment. Have you ever desperately wanted something, only for it to be delayed? Have you ever watched a door close in front of you and felt disappointed? Have you ever experienced a period of confusion and later realized it saved you from something far worse? Many people discover years later that what they thought was a setback was actually a mercy. What they thought was rejection was protection. What they thought was loss was guidance. Ibn Arabi frequently reflected on the reality that human beings see only a tiny portion of existence. We judge events based on what is immediately visible, while Allah sees every consequence, every hidden connection, and every future outcome at once. This is why the unseen world is such an important theme in spiritual life. The unseen is not empty. It is filled with realities beyond our perception. The believer understands that Allah's care is not limited to what the eyes can observe. Divine mercy may already be surrounding a person even when they feel abandoned. Divine help may already be approaching even when circumstances appear hopeless. This understanding transforms the way we view Surah Al-Mulk. When a believer recites it before sleep, he is not merely reading words. He is reminding himself that there is a Lord whose authority extends beyond everything he can see, beyond the walls of his room, beyond the events of tomorrow, beyond the fears that occupy his mind, beyond even the limits of this physical world. And perhaps the most beautiful aspect of unseen protection is that it often begins within the heart itself. Many people ask Allah for protection from external problems, and that is natural. But what if the greatest protection is the protection of your faith? What if the greatest blessing is that your heart remains connected to Allah during hardship? What if the greatest shield is not being removed from every trial, but being preserved through every trial? A person may lose wealth, yet keep faith. A person may face difficulty, yet keep hope. A person may experience heartbreak, yet remain close to Allah. In reality, these are extraordinary forms of protection. Because when faith survives a storm, the storm has not truly defeated you. This is why Surah Al-Mulk is so powerful before sleep. Every night it quietly shifts the believer's focus away from fear and toward trust, away from uncertainty and toward divine wisdom. You close your eyes not knowing what tomorrow contains, but you sleep knowing who controls tomorrow. And perhaps that is the secret many people spend their lives searching for. The strongest protection is not knowing everything that will happen. The strongest protection is knowing that whatever happens, Allah is never absent from your story. His wisdom is working, His mercy is working, and His protection may already be surrounding you in ways you cannot yet see. As we come to the end of this reflection, I want you to return to the question we asked at the beginning of this video. What if there is a protection surrounding you tonight that you cannot see? Not tomorrow, not next year, tonight. As you sit here listening, Allah knows every burden you carry. He knows the prayer you have repeated 100 times. He knows the worry that keeps returning to your heart. He knows the tears that no one else has seen. And He knows the future that remains hidden from your eyes. The truth is that most of us spend our lives trying to see what Allah has chosen to keep unseen. We want answers immediately. We want certainty immediately. We want solutions immediately. But faith begins where certainty ends. Faith is trusting Allah when you cannot see the entire road ahead. Surah Al-Mulk teaches us that the one who owns all dominion is the same one who is watching over your life right now. Nothing in your story is outside His knowledge. Not your delays, not your disappointments, not your hopes, not your struggles. Every chapter of your life is known to Him. And perhaps that is why this surah is so beautiful before sleep. At the end of a long day, when your energy is gone and your worries feel heavy, Surah Al-Mulk reminds you that you do not carry your future alone. Allah is already there, already aware, already in control. So tonight, I want to give you a simple challenge. Before you sleep, recite Surah Al-Mulk slowly. Do not rush through it. Reflect on its meanings. Imagine placing every fear, every unanswered question, and every hidden concern into the care of Allah. Then sleep with trust. Sleep knowing that the Lord who created the heavens and the earth never sleeps, never forgets, and never abandons his servants. And if you are accepting this challenge tonight, write Al-Mulk tonight in the comments below. Let it be a small promise between you and Allah, and a reminder for others who may need this message. If this reflection touched your heart, subscribe to the channel and share this video with someone you care about. You never know whose faith might be strengthened by a single reminder. May Allah fill your nights with peace, strengthen your faith, protect you in the seen and unseen, and make the Quran a light for your heart. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.